I needed some really short cables for patch cables, basically. And I don't buy patch cables. I just make them myself. It takes me a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So let's just, the whole point though is you need to make sure they work. So this cable tester, if I can get it, the camera set up. All right, so I just made this patch cable. I need to make another one, but let's give this a test, make sure it works. I'll put it on slow so we can see it. Didn't see one. There we go. Okay, so that's good. And if you're in a hurry, you can put it on fast. So yeah, I don't have ground, so that makes perfect sense. And the thing I like about this is it's not just RJ45, it's RJ11, but all the cable testers are. So yeah, this works great, and it comes with the battery. So got 'em.